Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today we have an invitation from Vayurata Hero Marathali. So we are going there. It's the first delivery of Hero Maverick 440. So stay tuned. तो हमको पहुंचते पहुंचते एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया था एंड जो फर्स्ट कस्टमर है जो डिलीवरी लेंगे ही वाज वेटिंग सो लेट्स टॉक टू हिम. So we have our first customer of Hero Maverick 440 and he's Mr. Safin and I'll just ask him what made him select this bike. So what made you select this bike?
So first of all, I've been looking for a 450cc bike in this segment for past 1 year. There have been a lot of options, but for Bangalore specific and mine, which matches my personality.
Okay.
So I don't want the best of everything, but small things it should suit me. Right. So I've been seeing many models doing test drives, and Maverick I thought was the best fit for me because it's a Hero's brand name.
Correct.
And main issue which she faced after buying is service.
True.
Hero is like anywhere I go, I expect. So service was the main. Because I have all the friends of different brands, so service is their biggest headache.
Okay. Got it.
So that's plus it's in very much budget and show-wise, the show like everyone says, like it अपने सबके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. So it like very much very comfortable for traffic.
So you took a test drive and
Test drive it, yeah. So it's fully refundable. So anyways,
Okay.
I like it 2-3 times.
So ये आपका मतलब बैंगलोर में वायुरथा में फर्स्ट डिलीवरी है. फर्स्ट डिलीवरी है तो हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
अच्छा पहली बार तो अपन यूट्यूब वीडियो भी देखते हैं, यहाँ पर भी आ गए.
तो आप चैनल में भी आ जाओगे, ठीक है. तो आप लॉन्ग चलाओ और कुछ दिन चलाने के बाद विल स्टे इन कांटेक्ट एंड डेफिनेटली आप लोग को हम बताएंगे कैसा लगा और ओनरशिप रिव्यू दे देंगे. फेयर रहेगा. आपको लगता है कि जो भी रिव्यू करता है इट्स लाइक बायस्ड होता है टुवर्ड्स द ब्रांड. नहीं, बायस्ड नहीं होता है, बट स्टिल ओनरशिप रिव्यू दे देंगे. सर अभी नहीं है.
ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ವಾಯುರಥ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ 440cc ಮ್ಯಾವ್ರಿಕ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೈಯರು ಗಾಡಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Sir, after taking delivery, how do you feel? Comfortable, no? And the height is okay. Okay. So as per you're taller than me, so it's very comfortable. I think flat foot and all, both side. Good. So today we have the second delivery also. Like there are a few more deliveries, but the second delivery is lined up immediately after the first delivery. So we have Mr. Animesh sir with us, and we'll just ask him the same questions. So, what made you choose this bike? Definitely you would have gone for a lot of test drives, no?
Actually, went through many of the bikes, test drives like a Honda and all.
Okay.
So this bike gives you the thumb
True.
power that you need and the weight balancing. That's
Correct.
properly done, which is not in terms of the other 350cc or 400cc bikes.
So exactly these are the things I have already covered in the review video, and you can listen to him. Basically, people think we do biased reviews, and this
No,
is
that's
not a
not a
biased
biased
review.
review, exactly.
So he's like owning one. So definitely he'll not give you a biased one.
Yeah, true.
So,
I'm
and,
going to get one.
Yeah, sure. And also, like sir, after you ride it for a few kilometers,
Yes.
meet if possible, and
Sure.
would like to take a review.
Definitely, why not?
Ownership review. And now we'll see the delivery video as well. Sir, please proceed. So sir, how do you feel, sir? Owning one such a big machine. Maverick meets the Maverick, no, sir? Okay. So why don't you start it, sir? So now all the colors are available. As you can see, this is the blue one, the mid variant, and red one for the mid variant. And so I was just checking with them about the waiting period and all. Now bikes are available, and we'll talk to Mr. Santosh sir, who is the general manager of Vayuratha Hero in Marathalli, Bangalore. So we'll check with them and we'll get to know the details about the bike and also the availability and prices. So we have Santosh sir with us, and he'll let us know about the bike variants which are available as of now, and he can tell us the price also and availability and everything.
ಸೊ ಈ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೀರೋ ಮ್ಯಾವರಿಕ್ 440 ಸಿ ಸಿನ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯುರಥ ಮೋಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಅಂತ, ವಾಯುರಥ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾವರಿಕ್ 440 ಸಿ ಸಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 3 ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್, ಮಿಡ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಾಪ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ 3 ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 5 ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಕಲರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಿ ಎಚ್ ಪಿ ಬಂದು 27 ಬಿ ಎಚ್ ಪಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 440 ಸಿ ಸಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಯುರಥ ಮೋಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ನ ನೀವು ತೊಗೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವೆಯ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ 17-18 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. And also it's very good vehicle. Newly Hero Motocorp 440 cc vehicle launch ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So please come and have a test ride.
Sure. So these are the mid variants.
Yeah.
These are the mid variants,
Mid variant
and
and
which is available in 2 colors.
Yes,
Mid
sir.
variants.
2 colors.
And I think the base variant is having only one
Only
color.
one color. Yes, sir.
And the top variant is having again 2 colors.
Yes, sir. Correct. Color specification will give.
Sure. So you can find that video, and if you haven't watched the short review video, I'll put the link here in I button, and you can go and watch. And we are waiting to see more bikes, and we'll talk to sir.
So, sir, thank you.
Sure. Okay.
We
Thank
are
you so much.
we are having a Harley 440 also. We are having a vehicle. All Hero Motocorp product will sell here. Please visit Vayuratha Motors Marathalli. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So it was a very good experience in Vayuratha Hero, and we had a discussion with both the owners. तो देखते हैं आगे अगर चांस मिलता है तो हम ओनरशिप रिव्यू भी करेंगे डेफिनेटली बाइक के बारे में. तो आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. फिर अगले वीडियो में मिलता है. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, गुड बाय, राइड रिस्पॉन्सिबली.